Hi, this evening I'm going to show you how to create a web page using HTML code, and this first part is going to be on my two favorite quotes. So I'm going to start with the H1 tag for my heading, and I'm going to call it my favorite quotes. And next I'm going to use the tag H2 for my name. And then the third tag that I'm going to use is going to be emphasis, and this is where I'm going to enter my first quote. So my first quote is as follows. Which is, we must let go of the life we have planned so as to accept the one that is waiting for us. And I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to run the code so I have an idea what it looks like. And so that's the emphasis. And then I'm going to use a block quote to enter the name of the author, and his name is Joseph Campbell. And run the code. And my second quote is, and I'm going to use the emphasis again, don't dream your life, live your dreams. And these are the two quotes that I live by, or I try to live by. And this one does not have an author, so I'm going to use the block quote again, and I'm going to say author unknown. I'm going to run the code, see how that looks, and again here is my HTML coding, and this is what it looks like in the front or as a web page, and this is what is going on in the background.